Hello and welcome to another video. I've got an eBay delivery. Not been buying much lately. But the plan is now to buy one, sell one, and see if I can make the channel pay a little bit in terms of pay for itself. Because I've bought quite a bit over the last few years. Spent quite a lot of money. And I want to try and get some of that back. So I've paid for this the grand sum of £12.99 plus £3.95 in postage. And it was the cheapest Minidisc I could find when I looked. Minidisc player, should I say. And the intention is see if I can get it working and maybe do a customization job on it because it's pretty beat up. And also it had an unusual remote control, and I've got a few other JVC mini discs, players rather, which don't have remotes, but I need the remotes to troubleshoot them because they're not working. Let's undo that first of all. Let's have a good look at this. So I've seen lots of these with this sort of marking on them, and it looks like a type of corrosion, but it could just be dirt. I think it's corrosion. Let's get the old multi-surface cleaner out and see what's what. Sorry about the wait. I'm going to try and do this in one take so I don't have to do any editing. So I think this doesn't do long play mini discs. Yeah, it looks like it's almost like someone spilt something on it. It does feel sticky. Like something's been spilt on it. So let's bring some of that on, directly on, and we'll see if it cleans it up a little bit. So okay, so it's a MJ70. I quite like the buttons on it. Nice round. I feel like metal. That doesn't feel as if it wants to push in very well. So it is a bit beaten up. The listing said, let me read it to you. Sold as spares and repairs. The unit's a bit beaten up. The remote looks okay, and I think the headphones have had it. Well, I certainly won't be using the headphones if they've been in somebody else's ears. So that doesn't look too good, does it? And that, let's zoom in a bit. That doesn't look too bad. Oh, but it has been cleaned up. So it's got a battery in it, which I think is a NiCad. Yeah, so NiCads have a different charging profile to nickel metal hydrides, but I have a battery charger that senses them and applies the right charging profile to it. I'm probably not going to do a cleanup on this video though, because I want to get this done in one take if I can. But I will test this. So that's given the Mr. Sheen a little bit of time to dissolve away some of the muck. It's not as bad as I thought. What I thought I might do, at risk of getting rid of the writing on it, I might use a metal cleaner on this, because I know it's a Panasonic, and if it's working I might just keep it and use it for basic everyday play that I don't mind if it gets dropped. Sorry, let's zoom out a little bit. Right, so let's open it up, have a look inside. This is all loose. I think someone's tried to repair this. Yeah, there's screws missing. I think there should be screws in there. Maybe not. Sorry, you can't see that. I think there should be screws in here. So much for one take. Oh, is it all dirty in there? Might give that a clean up. Where's my torch? Oh, it doesn't look too bad. I'll put a battery in it and see what happens. 1 second. This one I charged the other day, so editing on videos takes absolutely ages, especially for me. So I don't want to do more than I have to. Let me listen. There's no disc, so that might make a difference. Pop a disc in it. Oh, I like that. Hang on, let's put a different disc in there. Did that make a sound? Nope, no sound. So let's try the headphones. This remote, yeah, I've never seen one like this. Neither of you, unless I get it into the camera. It's quite nice. And I've got several Panasonic players. I probably said JVC earlier because I've been looking at the JVC one on eBay as well. I've got a couple of Panasonic players which don't have the remote on it, and the remotes I've got don't work with them. So yeah, this one doesn't work at all. I guess that's play. Main, sub and hold. So nothing at all. Let's put headphones in just to make sure it's not one of those that doesn't work without headphones. So I think that's our lot for the time being, because this one is not working at all. I'll get off camera now and have a good look at the unit without the recording and see if I can figure out if there's anything obviously wrong with it. And if I do, I'll shoot another video. So I will possibly shoot another video on this one at another time. Maybe I'll have a look now on camera and see if I can get any life out of it, but that will be a separate video. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully you might see this one come back to life one day, or at least be used for parts. Thanks a lot, bye.